Okay, 10 minutes. I deleted stuff, and there's less space. Let me. Anyway, how's it going, y'all? I'm Randy Lee. For those that know me, awesome to see you, and thank you for checking things out. Hope you enjoy. For those that don't, if you're checking this out, rock and roll. Good to meet you. I hope you enjoy. It's practice, easy, especially if you do some of that comment stuff. I appreciate it. I do take it constructively, but it's practice. So remember that, because if there's a little slip, I'm not restarting this time. It's 2 a.m. It's almost 3. Holy shit. Anyway, I'm down to 10 minutes somehow. If you saw how this is set up, it's raw. It's as raw as it gets. So anyway, and yes, the weather's in. It's finally snowing. So, yeah, I hope that doesn't hurt me too much, because I would love to share this with you. So I hope it goes well. It's not my song. As a matter of fact, great segue. First of all, Gavin Rosdale, Bush, Glycerine. It's Gavin Rosdale. And thank you to everybody that was so incredibly supportive and voted and asked about the videos and enjoyed them and sent me messages and letters and texts and stuff. I appreciate you guys so very much. All of you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you also to the people who asked if I was going to do more songs or more videos, if I was still singing, and asked me to do certain songs. I appreciate you so very much. Thanks. Totally awesome. So with the competition, man, it was a million times bigger than I expected or realized. And I went light years beyond where I really seriously thought I could, because of the stuff that happened to me health-wise. And also because it was really big. Anyway, so with that put me off for a little while, because that was a lot of singing over a few months. And then the videos and trying to get some production value. So, I had to take a break. And then, that was during a very tough time for me to begin with, and dedicated to a certain person who had just passed away. Jumped off the cliff, but instead of flying, I was like Ollie Coyote type going down the hill. Or Chris Farley, So anyway, thank you so much. This is a song somebody specific asked me to play. When I played guitar a lot more, I'm positive I played for this person, even practiced with the person or whatever. So they were like, yeah, you got to play the guitar too. Which I love to sing a song. I absolutely adore this song. And I want to make sure that it has the depth and respect that it deserves. So again, this is just practice, but I hope it comes across with what it deserves. And supposedly, it was like in an interview or something, and they talked about people, recording the songs. He's like, yeah, I'd love to watch that. And he kind of giggled. So I'm sure there's some sarcasm in there, because I'm sure there's some interesting shit out there. Let me tell you something. First of all, let's have coffee sometime. I'd love to talk. And then otherwise, I hope this is one of the ones you're not making fun of, dude. I hope you enjoy what I see and feel. It's almost 3 a.m, so it might not be perfect. It's practice. Be nice. And if you're constructive, awesome. So here we go. Let's see. Is this still work? It's still working. That's still on. Dean, you're a fucking mastermind. Thank you. Love you. 222. Must be your skin, I'm sinking in. Must be for real, 'cause now I can feel. I didn't mind, it's not my kind. It's not my time to wonder why. Everything's all white and everything's gray. Now you're here, now you're away. I don't want this, remember that. I'll never forget where you're at. Don't let the days go by. Glycerine, glycerine. I'm never alone, I'm alone all the time. Are you at one, or do you lie? We live in a wheel where everyone steals, but when we rise, it's like strawberry fields. If I treated you bad, you bruised my face. Could love you more, you got a beautiful taste. Don't let the days go by. Could have been easier on you. I couldn't change though I wanted to. Should have been easier by 3. Our old friend Fear and you and me. Glycerine. Don't let the days go by. Glycerine. Don't let the days go by. Oh yeah. Glycerine. Glycerine. Oh, glycerine. Glycerine. Bad moon's white again. Bad moon white again. As she falls around me. I needed you more. You wanted us less. Could not kiss. Just regress. It might just be clear, simple, and plain. Well, that's just fine. That's just one of my names. Don't let the days go by. Could have been easier on you. You. Glycerine. 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 I enjoyed that. I felt it. And I really, truly hope that y'all did as well. So, again, just want to, about to run out of time, so I'm going to cut it. I love you, cats. Thank you so much for your encouragement and your support and the grace of giving me your time to play for you, cats. It means the world to me. Stay safe, be safe, peace and be safe, of course. And whatever you do, keep smiling, okay? We'll be okay. There's some really cool shit coming out here real soon. I'll let you know about it. Peace.